Hair transplants are expensive when they come from a qualified practitioner. It's important when you're considering a hair transplant, to the extent that you can, to eliminate cost as a variable. Why is a hair transplant so expensive? You can fly overseas and get it much cheaper. The extent of training for most hair transplant surgeons is one factor. It takes a really long time to learn how to do this properly and to learn to do all of the different techniques so that you can best serve your patients. Compared to other kinds of plastic surgery, hair transplant has double or triple the number of required staff. And if you're getting a very large surgery and you're moving a lot of hair, you have to have even more staff than that. Hair transplant also has a very defined time limit. You can only take those grafts out of the body for between 6 and 8 hours before they start to lose their survival. So you have to have as many staff as you need to move all of the grafts that you plan to move in a 6 to 8 hour time limit, also with a very small working area that you can only fit 2, maybe 3 people around. When people are considering hair transplants, sometimes they will shop around just looking for the cheapest price, when really what you should be looking at is the experience of your hair surgeon, how long they've been in the business, the type of surgeries they do, and whether or not they're expert in the type of outcome that you're looking for. If you feel like you cannot financially afford a hair transplant, there's a couple of different options. The first and the most important is wait. Wait until you can afford it. This is not something that should bankrupt you. A lot of patients will choose to finance these surgeries. There might be non-surgical interventions, or you could take a staged approach. Hair transplant is an investment in yourself, and it's one that has great growth potential.